Hi friends, I'm TT Sang and you're welcome to my channel. So as you can tell, this is my birthday vlog and I'm in Toronto. I just got in today this morning, but it is nighttime now and we're about to head out for a first outing of the trip. I got my nails done, I got my lashes done, and I'm ready to step out into the town. Let's go.
Let's your boss together. Say cheese.
Take a picture.
Strike a pose. Let me see you.
Take a picture.
Say cheese. Look at that one.
Take a picture.
Say cheese.
Cheese. This is the
okay. Take the 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Quick. Cheers.
Hi guys, we're ready to go to the jungle. Follow us. Bye.
If you're ready like I'm ready, let's get it.
Yes. Okay. And then
1 silver frog and 1 pineapple mojito. Are we vlogging? Yeah. I love that cake. You're next. Can I have 1 pineapple? I think I'll go with the silver frog as well.
silver frog.
Silver frog.
2? No, 2. 2.
Uno. Silver frog, a silver frog, and a pineapple.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
How many are you getting?
2. Everybody. 2, 3.
Well, yeah.
Behind the scenes of the shots.
Like Steve, Steve will do it.
Huh?
Steve will do it. Some white YouTuber, he drink, that's what he does. Like,
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3.
2 minutes, you are not even.
You're not going anywhere. Look at me, Selva. One person.
2 minutes, look at my own. Do better, you're dressing.
There's no way she's I just want to There's no way. See how's that?
Cut the cameras. Okay guys, so we just got in the Uber from Selva. I know baby just likes to be my video. Yeah, we got to Selva and the kitchen was closed, so we could only get drinks.
Which is sad.
Very sad.
Now we're going the Popeye's way.
Yeah, so we did order some drinks and then we're going home now.
We're going to link up with Essie and Felicia.
Yeah, we're going to link up with some of our friends that are unable to make it tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to order food in because
you know the vibes.
thank you, that's all.
Yeah.
If you know, you know. The girls that get it, get it. Let's get the bill.
I think I'm falling.
Titi, why do you have mask? Okay.
It's not mask, it's my camera.
Winifred, where are you falling?
Let's get the bill. I need to call.
To you. Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Thank you! It's my birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you!
What birthday is it?
3-piece with the fries.
Okay, that's for 2 of us.
What happened?
No, we're recording vlog.
Okay. So it's 3-piece with the fries.
Yeah.
Right? And then
Everybody say hi! Everybody say hi to my video! Hi! Everybody say happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hi guys, it's my birthday! So I installed my hair this morning. You like the new look? Cute, right? I know. Oh my gosh, so excited. Anyways, so we are getting ready. Well, I'm ready, but the other people that it's not their birthday, they're getting ready. We're going for brunch today at school. Going for brunch at school. So I'll see you there. I think these Toronto Ubers are really nice.
Yeah, because they're just like, okay, what time that's going?
And they just wait. Montreal, you can't even waste 1 minute. They're gone.
Many times they have.
Okay, we'll see you at school. We're going to school today. We're going to school today.
Where am I going?
My behemoth is leaving us. He has left us. We were just saying how Toronto Ubers are good. We're just talking about how Toronto Ubers are good. And this guy has just proved us wrong. Like we came out and we literally saw him driving away. So yeah, that sucks. We'll see you when we actually get an Uber, because at this rate, we never know when it will happen.
The vibes are vibing. The DJs are on fire. They get sense.
Alright, thank you. These ones are bonding over Fenty Beauty.
Just expanded yesterday.
It's a girl from Barbados. Too many onion chicken and waffles and a plate of bake.
It's not a plate, a side. Just a plate.
Oh my god. This is mine now. Oh my god. It looks so good. And the pancakes is really the pancakes for me. So you say about the chef. Run it back. What do you say?
I said I'm going to walk up to the chef and say thank you for the meal.
Why?
I feel fulfilled. Like, look at my please do. They've even taken one away. I feel fulfilled. This was great.
Yeah, the meal is good. The meals were
Everything.
very good.
It hits.
That was so good. Let's get the bill per. What is up, you guys? So as you can see, I'm done with my makeup. The side is very ugly. Let me try and find better light. All the lights here are just orange. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I am ready, and as always, these my kids are running late. I'm sick and tired. Can you not see me? Did you not see me step out now? Anyway, so we're heading, or hopefully we'll be heading out soon for a wine tasting. So that is the agenda. I feel so cute. My hair is giving, and this is my quick makeup because we came back home and we slept after our food, and we slept till it was 7 o'clock. We're meant to leave at 7:50. So I woke up after 7 and still beat my face in time, because right now it's 7:53. So that's why we should be leaving soon. But let's go. Let me show you my outfit. Quick fit check. Like everywhere here is really orange. Like the light is just so orange. Anyways, this is my fit check. I feel cute. just got back from our wine tasting. It was so good. How was it, MM?
No, it was lovely. It was lovely. Well, I can't remember the lady's name though. Oh my goodness.
I don't know either.
She was lovely. Just
yeah,
know,
but it was really
like,
good.
Crushable Wine Club on Instagram.
Exactly, that's her Instagram.
We'll put, the link will be somewhere here or here or here or here. Just look out for it. But it was actually so nice. Like, it was so good. She told us so much about like the wine, how fruity it was, what should we expect. You know,
and it was a good conversation.
Swirl as well. The swirling, very important. You should know that.
Yeah. But it was really good. I'll also put the link of the Airbnb because I booked it through Airbnb, so I'll put the link on there as well, so you guys can just click and book.
But now it was so good.
Yeah, but it was really good. You guys, yeah, highly recommend. But now some people are getting ready, and then we're going to do pre-drinks and then go to the club after. So see you soon.
Party time!
Oh, and Erin got me flowers. Oh my god!
That's a user girl.
She got me flowers, so pretty. But yeah, so we're doing that, so I'll see you later. Bye. Material girl. And I get it from my mammy. And I get it from my mammy. Found me, bust down. These hoes can't stand me. Wake up, I'm just tired. Chop you like it can't be my gorgeous, gorgeous girls chase their liquor with more liquor. Facts. So we're back home now from the club, and we just ordered some Chinese food, so I'm going down now to pick it up. I'll see you guys tomorrow, because honestly after eating we're probably going to just fall asleep. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi friends! As you can hear, my voice is insane. So today's Sunday. Yesterday we basically just stayed in the whole day and ate. We ordered brunch in, ordered lunch, dinner in as well. We're supposed to go for karaoke yesterday, but obviously my voice didn't permit for that. So yeah, yesterday was just a rest day. And today we're going for brunch first and doing a whole bunch of other things, but I don't want to talk too much, so you guys will just see what's happening.
Guys, so the update on brunch, this place that is what 2 minutes away from us is booked for the next hour 30 minutes, and we have no way to eat, so we're just back and we're going to, you know, look up some restaurants in the area. So if you have anything, recommend some for us down below.
How would they recommend?
For the future, hoes.
Language.
Fit check. Okay, so I have this cute black top on from Garage. The jacket is from PLT. The pants PLT all the way. And I have my Jordans. Okay, next.
My jacket is from Winners. My top is from Winners. My pants are from H&M. My shoes are Vans, and my bag is, guess, I don't know. It was a gift.
Oh, I had a bag somewhere, but you get the gist. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
moving. Chug. Oh, look at this. Yo.
Too many last man standing. You can finish. Like breathe.
Girl, we have the last word for you.
No, I can't go on.
You know what? The house is just there. We're not gonna make it. Please. Come on, girl. You're almost there. You're almost there. One more. That's a quick one, Yay. You guys, it's just small.
Oh my god.
Chug that one too. I'm not sure I can do it. Let's take a break. Definitely. We're not just talking into.
So we waited on the wait list for brunch, and then now we're done with brunch, so we're just going on the helicopter ride. Helicopter tour.
We're waiting for that.
So we're waiting for that, so they'll get back to us. What else? I'm forgetting. Yay. Hi.
Certified quality. But that the girl them need and I cry for every day without apology. What them the right way, that's my policy. Shonda Paul alongside Beats by Luca. Oh, you the man say this. I'm dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Dirty, yeah. Beyonce, tell me all about the things that you have fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night, I make me get it amplified. When I quick for run the ship, me nah go slip, me nah go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. We give it the toughest, longest time for ride. Girl, me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in your drop top, girl. You know stop shop, girl. Little more the dirty one, rock that world. It's a top top, girl. Me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in your drop top, girl. You know stop shop, girl. Little more the dirty one, rock that world. It's a top top, girl. Me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in your drop top, girl. You know stop shop, girl. Little more the dirty one, rock that world. It's a top top, girl. Me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in your drop top, girl. You know stop shop, girl. Little more the dirty one, rock that world. It's a top top.
Saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad.
Now I know why he was trying real hard not to look at me. He's secretly straight, trying not to look at my titties, or he's gay and wanting to transition and wondering who my doctor is. All right, which one is true? Not all. You're bisexual. Oh, me too. If you buy me something, I get sexual. All right, so we're gonna put our drinks up there. Put your drinks up, drinks up, drinks up. If you ain't got a drink, put your fist in the air. Participation is key. All right, here we go. There once was a whore from Peru who filled her pussy with glue. They paid to get in, she said with a grin. They can pay to get out again too. Salute! Oh, we gotta do the shot. Oh.
Last time you saw me, we were about to go on the helicopter, so we did that. It was nice and everything, and then later that night we went for a drag show. Drag show was okay, but let's not talk too much about it. It was just fine. I'm currently at the airport right now. I'm about to hop on my flight back home, so I thought I'll just come and I'll just come here and close up the vlog. Hopefully you can hear me. But yeah, it was a good trip. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed my trip. And if you did, definitely like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I know it's already past my birthday, but you can still tell me happy birthday in the comments, okay? Bye guys.
You got the swag, so she drippin' swag, dude. You a bad girl.